wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What? Gang boy Jambisco back with a banger. You already know what time it is. Yo guys, we're back in the music lab and today, you see me and see what I did with today. Earlier, we reacted to Jquan, Chopper Gospel. But, you feel me, that song was a vibe. I enjoyed that song so much. You know what I'm saying? And that song been requested so long that I'm like, yo, man, I should definitely check out more from him. I should have been reacting to him. I should definitely check out some more music from him. So right now, I'm going to check out another track from Jquan. This one entitled Bogus. You see me? So what I got to deal with. Hopefully his flow and style and everything is sick, just like Chopper Gospel. You feel me? And we can enjoy. Yeah, because, bro, from Chopper Gospel, it seems like his future is bright. Well, so I'm just going to check out another song just to make sure he's not a one-hit wonder or anything like that. Just see if he can bring off the same energy or see him, you know what I'm saying, style, or see him level of creativeness and, you know what I'm saying. So that's what I want to check out, see if that, to see where the dog up to, see if this song is a hit or a miss. You see me, see if he has a future in his dancer, you know what I'm saying. So, yeah, man, guys. So go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Likes are free. Help your boy out, man. Help the channel grow, man. We're trying to, come on, we're trying to get to 100K, bro. Help your boy out, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, we're going to jump right in the track when I'm going over vibes. Because we don't know much about Jquan, which I want y'all to drop the comments. Fill me in on Jquan, how long he's been doing music, where is he from, first song, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? What songs to react to next. You know what I'm saying? So, we're going to jump right in the track. This is Jquan, Bogus. Let's get it.
Yo, still just.
Why see, you know?
Yo, Chino records. I some sick in my brain. I know I end this some sipping I plane. Just come off a tour, no I'm rich in a lane. That I code my father here.
Wait. Did I see this guy on Instagram? I'm pretty sure I see some music video like this getting shot on Instagram. So I may have seen a preview on Instagram and didn't even realize that. But yeah, man, big up yourself, Jquan. Let's see what you get.
Say man, I'm eating like game, I don't see it. Say I rock them calm. Jump out clean with the Louis Saint on. Fuck up a party, I'm a bin a spender. Yeah. With their foot, we don't do no rental. Code up, me bring the phone off. I found 20, me no know, bro. Packy them poke up. Listen, no, I bogus. Jiffy be my side, we a pan don't tell them.
Yeah, I actually saw this shit. Yeah, man, me see the preview. And I didn't even know. I don't know if I follow him or if it was on another account that reposted it. But yeah, I actually saw a dog shooting his music video on YouTube. But I don't know if I follow him or I really heard of him like that. You know what I'm saying? Jquan. But dog, this song chop, man. This song a chop. Go on.
Don't fuck with the G. Don't fuck the Glock 17, bro back the teeth. The Louis V beats, top on my feet. Some things me do wonder if more car seat. Whole lot G's may say poor heart weak now. She drop it be money.
Some things me do me wonder if more car seat. Whole lot G's. Yeah, man.
Bro not lead. Yo YC, I know more talk to it. Yo Bell wonder if more car see, bro.
More talk to it.
Had the baddest bitch up all upon my cock, you know. The bricks stacking up, money make me happier. I say my pin a level low, pa me no stop, you know. I chop a gas for make them gal up on my cock, you know. I do the maths and them no rich.
I chop a gas will make them gal up on my cock, you know. Chop a gas, I guess chop a gas is on breakthrough tune. And chop a gas is shot, you know what I'm saying? So that clout, you know what I'm saying? So the moves flocky, you feel it?
Had a picture on my Grammy of them bitch attack. And anything I am say it far from my don't sex them mother, I'ma even give a fuck my dad. Tell them don't fuck with the G. Don't fuck the Glock 17, bro back the teeth. The Louis V beats, top on my feet. Some things me do wonder if more car seat. Whole lot G's basic.
Louis V beats, top on my feet. Some things me do me wonder if more car seat. Oh Lord G's, come on.
Poor heart we know. She drop it be money, crown not lead. Yo YC, I know more talk to it. Yo Bell wonder if more car see, bro. Say man, I'm eating like game, I don't see it. Say I rock them calm. Jump out clean with the Louis Saint on. Fuck up a party, I'm a bin a spender. Mount a whip, their foot, we don't do no rental.
No, I'm too no man. You see them bogus. Jquan to them bogus out here, man. Yo, jump out with the Louis Henton, brother. I want to touch the party and be a spec. Hey!
Code up, me bring the phone off. I found 20, me no know, bro. Packy them poke up. Oh no, I bogus. Me jiffy be my side, we a pan donut.
It's a vibe. Hold up. Well, me dog them code up. Jiffy be my side way upon donut. That's reckless driving though, man, G. Get some real proper tire, then you do drifting. Drifting upon donut is dangerous, man, G. But yeah, man.
Dog, you don't see your fuck.
Don't stop.
Chip on one part, man.
Chip on one part, man. Yeah, man. Bogus. Them bogus. Chill. I'm 2020 when I know, bro. How to them? Jquan? Jquan, you go on the dog, you keep it up, you know, my youth. You're gonna be one of the most watching, you know, dog. Keep it up. Don't disappoint. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up Jquan. That's Bogus. That was a vibe, man. That was a vibe. Between Chopper Gospel and this, yeah, man, you have big potential, my G. So don't come let me down, you know. Don't come let down the J. Yeah, man. Yeah, look out for your dog. Hope you keep it up. Man, keep doing your thing, Jquan. Yeah, see me, everything. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, man. We look forward to hearing more from you and seeing more from you, okay? So, yeah, man, guys. People don't know what you think about that one. That was Jquan, Bogus. Yeah, see me, earlier we checked out Chopper Gospel, and that was a vibe as well. This is a vibe as well. So, he's doing pretty good, man. You know what I'm saying? He's definitely not a one-hit wonder. You see me, both of these songs are doing numbers. So, yeah, man, go show him some love and support. Make you know, sir, Jambisco and send you know. And definitely let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part. Lyrics, beat, melody, video, whatever it is, just let me know what's your favorite part and we can chop it up. And let me know where you're watching from, man. Let's get some discussion going on, man. And fill me in on anything that I should know about Jquan. If there's anything out there you think I should know, any songs you think I should know, fill me in on the comment section. Let me know where he's from, how long he's been making music, which crew in power with, where he at right now, all that stuff. You feel me? Yeah, man. And comment your favorite artists that you listen to, what artists y'all want me to react to. And I definitely get it done. Your request is chosen. You're gonna get your shout out, all that stuff. You see me? So big up on yourself. Yeah, man, I really enjoyed that one. I should have been reacted to Jquan, you see me? But better late than never. You see me? Dog been doing his thing. I should have been like a month ago or so. Yeah. So yeah, man, big up to Jquan. You doing your thing, man. Got great potential. You doing your thing, man. So bless up everybody. Guys, hope you're enjoying yourself, enjoying your week. I don't know we're going live later on, so look out for that as well. Come join the live, come have some fun with your boy. Yeah, man, we having fun, man. Chop it up. You don't know. Till next time, guys, the boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and I smashed a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.